Hi guys, today we are back with this amazing spinach soup recipe. Spinach is a superfood and has a high nutritional value. So let's begin. We will need onion, garlic cloves, boiled sweet corn, a cube of paneer and few basic spices. Check the description box for exact quantities. Wash and clean the spinach thoroughly and remove the stems. Now chop the spinach leaves into smaller chunks. It is known as one of the richest source of iron along with vitamins, magnesium and many other vital nutrients. Once everything is chopped, heat some oil in a pan. Add the onions and saute till translucent. Now add in the chopped garlic and saute further till they turn light brown and the raw smell of garlic goes off completely. Add in the boiled sweet corn and mix everything well. Add in some salt. Next goes cumin powder, coriander powder, garam masala and black pepper. Remember, spinach is a bit salty by itself, so be careful with the salt. You can add red chili powder to it if you like it to be spicy. Combine well and add in 2 cups of water. Once the water starts boiling, we will add spinach to it and cook with the lid on for 4 minutes. We do not want to overcook the spinach so as to maintain the lovely green color as well as the nutrients in it. After 4 minutes, remove the lid and add in some shredded paneer to this. It will not only add the much needed dose of protein to our soup but also enhance the taste. If you are a non-vegetarian, you can shred some boiled chicken in it. Also, check for salt at this point and cook it for another 3 minutes. There you have it, your hearty and super nutritious spinach soup is ready to serve. Making healthy food choices is a lifestyle change that we all need to incorporate in our lives. Do try this recipe and we will get back with another nutritious recipe next time. Till then, eat healthy, stay healthy. Bye bye.